Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if Photos app is not working in Windows 11 operating system. So basically, the Photos app comes pre-installed in Windows 11 operating system, and you can use it to open photos and video and other multimedia content. And in case if the Photos app is not working, it is not starting, it is not working as expected and keeps freezing, or any other related issue you are facing with the Photos app, this video guide will help you to fix them. Starting with solution number 1. In this case, we will open Settings app, then go to Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. In this list, scroll down and locate Windows Store Apps heading and click on Run next to it. This will start Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, and it will automatically found and fix issues with the Windows Store apps, including the Photos app. Next, we have solution number 2. In this case, you have to open Microsoft Store and install the pending updates available to the Photos app. So just open the Microsoft Store and click on the library icon at the left pane, and here you have to locate Microsoft Photos app, and here you will see if any updates are available. If any updates are available, just click on the update button and make sure you install the latest updates for this app, or install the latest version for this app, and that should hopefully resolve the issue you are facing. Here you can see that I have installed the latest version of Microsoft Photos, and I can expect the issues I were facing with this Microsoft Photos app should be resolved now. Next, here we have solution number 3. In this case, we will open Settings app and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In this list, locate Microsoft Photos, click on 3 dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Now in the next screen, scroll down and under Reset heading, you have to click on the Repair button. Since the Microsoft Photos app is not working perfectly, we can use this repair button to repair it. This won't affect the app data. In case if the repair option didn't help, then you can hit the reset button. This will affect the app data such as sign-in preferences and the app settings you have modified. However, it would fix the issues you are facing currently with the Photos app. The reset operation completed within few seconds, and hopefully the issues you are facing with the Photos app should be resolved now. In case if you still face the issue, here we have solution number 4. In this case, we will open Settings app and go to Privacy and Security. Under App Permissions, locate Pictures, and for the Pictures library access, make sure this option is turned on. Also, here you have the option Let Apps Access Your Pictures Library. You need to make sure that this option remains on as well. Now in case if you are facing issues with videos on the Photos app, you can go back to App Permissions and this time select Videos, and here make sure that the Video Library Access option is turned on, along with the Let Apps Access Your Videos Library option. Make sure both of these options are turned on. Now moving on to solution number 5. In this case, open the Photos app and click on its settings icon at the top, and here in the settings page you can turn off OneDrive temporarily in order to check if the issues you are facing are resolved. You can simply turn off the OneDrive option. Once the troubleshooting has been done, you can turn it on back if you want. This would help you to fix issues with online content you are trying to visit with the Photos app. And finally, we arrive to solution number 6, which is the last solution for this video. And in this case, we will try to re-register the Photos app, because if previous suggestions didn't help us. And for this, we will open Windows PowerShell using search. Make sure you open Windows PowerShell as administrator, and in the PowerShell window just paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. This will re-register the Photos app on your system, and here you can include all users parameter in order to fix issues for Microsoft Photos app for all users. In case if you want to fix it for current user only, you can remove all users parameter. Once this PowerShell command has been executed successfully, Photos app should be re-registered on your system and the issues you were facing should be resolved. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.